Native Americans possess extensive knowledge of medicinal plants, which they have passed down through generations. Their deep connection with nature and respect for the environment contribute to their expertise in natural medicine. Many medicinal plants used by Native Americans are still widely recognized and utilized in contemporary medical practices. Here we present the top 9 plants most used by Amerindians, but make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because the last plant is their favorite and the most widely used of all. Rosemary is a sacred plant revered by Native American tribes for its analgesic properties, particularly in relieving joint pain. It is also known for its memory-enhancing effects, as it strengthens the immune system, treats indigestion, and benefits the circulatory and nervous systems. Rosemary contains rosmarinic acid, which protects the brain, improves cognitive function, and enhances concentration and memory. It is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, offering protection against oxidative stress and potential cognitive decline. Cattail, an essential survival plant, serves as both a food source and a preventive remedy. Its stem heart, known as the Cossack asparagus, provides a delicate and crunchy taste reminiscent of cucumber. It can be consumed raw, added to salads, or used in various cooked dishes. Cattail is highly nutritious, easy to digest, and beneficial for recovery after an illness. Wild rosehip, a small red or orange berry found on wild rose bushes, is valued for its medicinal properties. It is a rich source of vitamin C, antioxidants, and beneficial nutrients. Vitamin C strengthens the immune system, promotes cardiovascular health, and supports bone and tooth health. The antioxidants in wild rosehip protect against chronic diseases and reduce the risk of inflammation. It is also known for its anti-inflammatory effects and its benefits for skin health, including collagen production and reducing signs of aging. And if you like this captivating content, don't forget to click on the video's like button, share it with your friends interested in this type of content, and subscribe to my channel. Aloe vera, widely used by Native Americans, is recognized as a soothing remedy. Its gel-filled leaves are squeezed to extract a thick sap used for treating burns, insect bites, and pain. Aloe vera is known for its healing properties, particularly for soothing and nourishing the skin. It contains antioxidant enzymes, vitamins A and C, and offers benefits for oral health, digestion, and stomach relief. Aloe vera is low maintenance, purifies the air, and adds a touch of greenery to any space. Lavender is known for its ability to aid with insomnia, anxiety, depression, headaches, and fatigue. Its essential oil has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it useful for soothing insect bites and burns. The essential oil extracted from lavender flowers is commonly used in respiratory aromatherapy to reduce anxiety, stress, and minor pain. It acts as a natural sedative, promoting better sleep when a few drops are sprinkled on a pillow. Additionally, lavender can soothe skin irritations, including acne, due to its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. Lavender is a versatile and highly beneficial medicinal herb used by Native Americans for its various health benefits. White willow, also known as Salix alba, was used by Native Americans to relieve pain and reduce inflammation. They used the inner bark of the tree, which is rich in salicylates, to prepare infusions or decoctions. Today, white willow bark is still used to produce aspirin and other anti-inflammatory medications. Squaw vine. The perennial plant squaw vine was used by Native Americans to facilitate childbirth due to its astringent and toning properties on the uterus. It was also used to relieve menstrual pain and regulate menstrual cycles. Coneflower. The coneflower is a highly valued medicinal plant used by Native Americans for centuries. It is known for its immune system boosting properties and beneficial effects on health. Native Americans specifically used it to treat respiratory infections, sore throats, the flu, and the common cold. Discover the ultimate solution to have a complete natural pharmacy in your garden by clicking on the link in the description to watch the video. Don't miss this opportunity to cultivate your own medicinal plants and take control of your well-being in a natural and sustainable way. Click now and transform your garden into an endless source of health and vitality. And the last plant is the valerian. Valerian is the most commonly used medicinal plant by Native Americans, known for its soothing and relaxing properties. Its roots contain natural compounds that act on the central nervous system to induce relaxation and tranquility. Native Americans traditionally used valerian to treat insomnia, anxiety, sleep disorders, muscle pain, headaches, and menstrual cramps. Valerian roots can be infused in tea to relieve muscle pain and have a calming effect. It grows in temperate regions worldwide, including North America, where it was commonly used by Native Americans. Valerian has been used as a medicinal herb since ancient times and is known for its potential benefits in promoting sleep and relaxation. These plants have been valued for their medicinal properties and continue to be used in various forms for their health benefits. This video is now coming to an end. Thank you very much for watching it and for leaving your comment. Take good care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.